If you're seeing the itched.io Json Rpc error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that often solves the problem in just a few minutes. This issue can happen when the itch.io app is blocked by security software, and the fastest way to test that is by temporarily adjusting your antivirus settings. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, understand what's happening. The Json Rpc error usually means the itch.io app is having trouble communicating properly in the background. One common cause is Antivirus or Windows Defender interfering with the app's network or file access. In many cases, standard exceptions are not enough because the app may use multiple paths, background processes, or related files that still get blocked. So the goal here is to test whether your antivirus is the source of the problem. To do that, temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender. If you're using a third-party antivirus program, open the antivirus dashboard and look for a setting like Protection, Shields, Real-Time Protection, or Web Protection. Turn it off temporarily, just long enough to test the itch.io app. If you're using Windows Security, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and temporarily switch off Real-Time Protection. You may also want to check Firewall and Network Protection if the error still continues. Once that's done, reopen the itch.io app and try the action that was failing before. For example, try launching a game, syncing the app, or refreshing your library. If the Json Rpc error disappears, that's a strong sign your antivirus was blocking the connection. At that point, instead of leaving protection off forever, you should create the proper exclusions or whitelist the itch.io app files if your antivirus supports it. That gives you a safer long-term solution while keeping your system protected. If the error does not go away after disabling antivirus, then the issue may be something else, but this is one of the first and most important tests to run. Also, remember to re-enable your antivirus or Windows Defender after testing, especially if the error was not caused by security software. Keeping your device protected should always be the priority. So to recap, the fix is to temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender, test the itch.io app, and see whether the Json Rpc error clears up. This simple step can save a lot of time and help you confirm whether security software is the root cause. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.